Maui. He is an 8-month-old German Shepherd, and he's in for our 2-week board and train. He came in with just a little stubbornness. He doesn't really listen to his mom. He's really big, obviously, so he knocks over his mom's dad and knocks over some other people, so he's got a jumping problem. Just basically doesn't really know his size, and he likes to dig and kind of destroy things in their house. So we're going to work on all of that, give him some basic obedience and some control, and yeah, I'm really excited to see how he does. So let's see what he knows so far. Maui, Maui, sit. Oh, good boy. Down. Oh, maybe. Sit. Down. Good boy. So he does know some stuff. He's had some training in the past, so we'll have to see that. Let's see if he knows heel. No. Heel. 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 All right, a little bit. He's a little bit of a puller, and he's pretty strong, so we're going to work on that as well. Maui, down. 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 All right, we don't have consistency, but that's okay. So we're going to work on all of that. We're going to get some consistency and some control, and I'm excited to see how he does. Good boy. Good boy.
I love the communication that we got. Videos every day, communication pictures, just a lot of love. You could tell he was definitely taken care of. And we were amazed at each video. It was like a completely different dog.